step your foot into this compound one more time,
you'll be walking into your grave. What are you doing here?
Agnes, please calm down. Calm down. I know that you're in hot pain. You are heartbroken, I know. But please, let us settle this thing peacefully. We are mothers. This is not the way we're supposed to settle this.
please.
Oh? Of course. I'm a mother. We are mothers. And no mother deserves to bury her own child.
We understand.
There is no pain greater than that.
I know.
Calm down. Calm down. Oh? Biko. I know you are in pain, like I said earlier. They just take it easy. It has happened. Oh? It has happened.
No problem. But let me tell you, if you know where my husband has gone to, you will tell your useless son. You will tell your useless son to be careful.
Hey, Agnes, no now. Eh? But the police told people to be calm, to wait for the autopsy result of Maggie to come out.
Which police? You want me to vote on empty promises from police? Is that what you want me to do? I don't know possible.
I don't want like that. I want to for. Which police?
Please, Agnes, I beg of you. I beg you in God's name. Let nothing happen to my son.
Biko, let nothing happen to your son. So your useless son killed my daughter, and you are here still telling me let nothing. You are threatening me, right? No, you better tell me. You better tell me threaten, Akuya.
No,
we shall see. Move, Uma. Sit down, bro. Yes, leave my house. We shall see.
But when you enter her data, that there you go know. She see everything like CCTV camera. Maggie, busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie not trouble. Busybody, CBC wala. Busybody, and Madam.
Oh, doctor.
Busybody,
you're welcome. What brings you to my place?
I was actually on my way from Maggie's parents' house. So I decided to stop by to inform you of something very important.
Which is?
You see, madam, the result of the autopsy conducted on Maggie's corpse showed that she was poisoned with a lethal substance.
Hey! I knew it. I knew it!
Sorry, you knew what?
Don't mind me, doctor. It's not in my place to say it. But everyone involved in this act must be brought to book. Thank you so much, okay?
You're welcome.
I appreciate.
But actually, I shouldn't be telling you this, considering the ethics of my profession. But for the fact that you were the one that took the girl to them, I decided to let you know this.
I appreciate.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
I'll be on my way now.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Hey!
So, let's go again. So good, I know I am. Oh my goodness, seriously.
Hey.
Yes, darling.
I am off to work.
Oh, please, can you drop me off?
Yeah. I don't think I'm going through your route.
Yes. The route to his office is different to your house. Oh, okay.
But why don't you get a cab and continue the movement?
I don't mind. You can actually drop me anywhere. You know what, madam? Let me just drop. Go on, sweetheart. You don't need to bother yourself. Since he's going out already, what's the need for you to go out? Can you just help me drop out?
It's okay. Okay.
Alright. I'll see you later. Love you. Bye. Bye. Okay. Drive careful. Bye. So, baby, you know it's just the two of us in this car right now. So why don't you take me to the hotel and then ride with me? Baby.
You want a ride, eh?
Yes, baby.
You want a ride?
Yes, baby.
You get a ride.
No. Slow down, no. Slow down, you're speeding. No! Please stop. Please stop. No. Say, I didn't mean it. No, please! You cannot still stop! Oh! Stop, please! Stop! No, please, no, I don't mean it. Please stop! Oh my God, please! You cannot still... Ah! Please! Thank you.
Hey, Mom.
I don't know what is
You don't say before, I the reason say you be better person, you be good girl. But this question when you ask me now, they make me the reason on that why I say something they worry you. Why you go ask me that kind of question? You don't know say my problem and everybody problem where they live for this house. The hunger. I think surprised say you don't complain.
Because I'm not a glutton like you. You don't hear me?
Wait. Me, a glutton.
Before, you don't know.
No wahala. 1-0. You go handle that one later. You don't say sis Maggie come out there. Madam no fit enter kitchen go cook. She no fit cook for anybody. Madam no she don't sabi boil water. So how we go take survive for this house? How can go finish everybody?
How I go take survive for this year? Hunger go finish everybody. How do I take my business? I dey ask you now. How I take my business, Oga? I was brought in here to be a house help. Clean. Not to cook. It was not part of my job jurisdiction. You dey hear me so?
So, Jurigide?
You ask me nonsense question.
I don't want to do me. You dey speak English. Na English I go chop. I dey tell you say my one guy dey want me they speak jurisdiction. You tell me one time say you go like take over as chief chef, abi? Now the time don't reach. Take over me, you cook more chop. Me hunger no keep more for this house.
Adolphus. This should be the last time you will walk in here and stop me while walking to ask me that stupid nonsense. You hear me so? This should be the last time. Else, I go poison you. You hear me so? I go poison you. As this, I go poison you. What's your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? I mean, every day I be good chef, Abi. And the first thing I go do if I start living now to poison you come out for here. Go poison you come out.
You poison me?
I don't tell you. Adolphus, this should be the last time. The last time you will walk in here and disrupt my work. You hear me so? The last time. No try me. No try me, Adolphus. Okay. Yeah, get out.
Alright, ma.
Get out, come out for here.
Sorry, ma.
Glutton. And food they see you. Your mates they use their life in the class now. Food you will find out for that. food. You know, you're always very funny, seriously.
That is why I am called Delia.
Of course you are. Of course.
You have to have seen this by yourself.
Yes, so that is the thing.
Oh my God.
Hi, babe. I'm off work.
Darling.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I never knew you were still inside. I thought you've gone to work already.
No. I'm actually going out now.
He had some mails to send before going to work.
Oh,
that's what
really?
delayed him.
Oh, okay, I see.
Babe,
My love.
I'll see you when I'm back, okay?
Hey, baby. Be good.
Yeah, you too.
All right. Okay, so my darling, I should be on my way. Now.
So soon?
Yeah, so soon. You know what? I have a date with my boyfriend. Yes, so you can say that again. So I need to start going so I can, get ready for him. I need to look all sexy. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
You want me to drop you off?
No, don't bother your pretty self. Just, you know what? Sit your pretty self down. I will go see him, and then when I am done, I'll come and see you. Okay?
No problem.
Don't miss me too much. Take care of yourself. Okay?
You too, my darling.
All right.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh my God, love my girl. Just love the sweet though. Oh.
Madam.
Adolphus,
Yes, ma.
how are you?
I'm fine. As Oga one drive pass, he dropped this paper. I said, make I give you.
Is your brain still working? Because if you dropped this paper, it simply means that it's a trash. So why do you have to pick it up?
Madam, there is one between you squeeze and trash am, and he mistakenly drop for your hand. This one I drop, no be trash. I know trash. I go school, I know trash. So I say make I bring and make you read that. You go like read it, make you know the contents now.
I should read.
Read now.
Adolphus.
Madam, read now. You go like the contents.
What is this? Let me give you what your wife has not been able to give you on bed. Meet me at Blossom Hotel if you want to have a taste. Call this number 0806930. This is Dele's number now. This is my friend's number. What is going on? What is really going on?
I don't know, madam.
A hotel?
Hotel?
What is going on? What is going on?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I never knew you were still inside. I thought you've gone to work already.
Hey! Oh my God! I have been blinded by friendship. I never noticed that my friend is after my husband. She wants to snatch my husband from me.
Yeah. Friend.
Delia, but why?
Delia, why now?
Delia, but why? I have been a good friend to you. Why my husband? Why my husband?
Madam, there is this saying, where people they talk, they say, you see your friends, keep them close. Your enemy, drag them closer. If you see that idiot, what they call Delia, now your friend. If you say she be your good friend, she no go betray you. The other day, so she come here when you know them. Whether she won't come seduce Oga, I saw Oga bundle and throw her from this compound.
What?
Yes.
In this house?
This house.
Hey! Delia, I will handle this.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity.
How many times have I warned you to stop wearing this skimpy things in my house? How many times?
Mama, I'm not comfortable walking like this.
Maybe when I tear it into shreds, the whole world will see the nakedness I want them to see. What is wrong with you? Anyway, henceforth, you will start doing the work of the maid and chef in this house. Am I understood?
Mama, the workload will be much on me.
Listen, let me tell you. There are thousands of people out there looking for jobs. There is no job anywhere. Day in, day out, they are looking. No job. So if you think that it's too tedious for you to handle, that is the gate. Get out. Go back to the street where you belong. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Thank you, ma'am.
Now go and change into your uniform and prepare me scrambled egg and yam sauce at once. No, did I hear anything? Then come home.
You can do.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had
That's my visitor. And what are you doing in the kitchen?
You want to show people that I start cooking and cleaning. How should we leave me off my duties in this house?
It's okay. Just keep doing it. Okay? I will personally hire another cook, another helper that can relieve you of your job. I'll just do it just because of you.
Look, the workload will be too much on me.
I know. Don't worry, I'm going to hire another person to be helping you doing all those things. Okay? I never knew you can cook so well. You know, the aroma of your food is really, really, really inviting. Yes, Kwancha.
Not to your wife.
Don't need to touch you.
Not to your wife.
It's okay.
Go.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. Oh, yeah. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you.
Don't you dare let that you lying mate touch my expensive glass. Drop it. Excuse you? At once. You are quite excused. You lying, backstabbing, scheming, sliming slut. Oh, please. How dare you try to scheme your way into the arms of my man with all the men out there? You want to try my own man. Girl, I will swallow you and I will not even feel it.
And what gave you the justification to call me names? Are you any different? I am asking you, are you any different from me? At least mine is subtle. But you, a married woman, still having an affair outside her marriage, sleeping with her driver. Oh, you are surprised I said that, yeah?
Get out of my house.
before I lose it.
Of course, I am leaving. But not get out of my house. I am going to leave your house. But that is when I am done telling your husband about how you're busy knacking your driver. And yes, and also how you killed your chef Maggie. Wonderful. Delia, if you do not take your useless, overused self out of my house, I am going to make you regret ever knowing. Oh, do not try. You ain't going to do no shit. Adolphus! Adolphus! Listen, I am going to so deal with you, but I am so going to tell your house about everything you do. Do this rotten maggot out of my house at once. You under him. You are not out of the house. Don't even dare take this trash out of my house.
You move or do you want me to write?
Don't get any close to me. I am going to deal with you. I am not going. Take out of my house. Don't. What is wrong with you? I am going to deal with you. I will deal with you. Leave me.
Ewo.
Leave me alone. Again, I will kill you. Leave me alone. Leave me. I'm not taking out of my house. I will deal with you. Get me out of my house. Let me be. Leave me. And I will punch you. Ewo. Leave me. I will not take this man out of my house. Listen to me. If I see you here again, I will end your existence. Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me. You fool. I am not going with you. You slut. You're not even a slut. Yes. I am coming back for you. Yes. Leave me alone. Leave me. It's yours. I will deal with you. Leave me. Leave me. It's yours. I'm going to deal with you. No.
Hey! This one are 2 cows in one. How man big could it weigh like cow? Not even 1 cow. 2 in 1 cow.
Sluts. Rubbish.
No! Jesus. This one are 2 cow in one. 2 in 1 cow. Okay. You can use this shampoo here. Digest all the rubbish we are here today. Oh, wow. Now man get this weight. Why be the way like this? What's it make? Jesus. I will try and make a jacket.
Precious! Precious! What is keeping her? Precious! Mama. Did you see my red lipstick? I dropped it on top of that table this morning. And now I can't find it. Where is it? Yes. Stop! No. Which one is yes? No. No. Get out. Okay. This is my red lipstick. What's in here? Chineke! What is all this? What is all this? Where did she get money to buy all these expensive things? Precious! 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 Mama! Precious. What is going on? Ma? First, what is my lipstick doing in your room?
Oh, I can explain. How on earth?
on earth?
Were you able to buy all this expensive clothes?
My salary, ma. My salary, ma.
Your salary?
Yes, ma.
Of how much?
Ma, I've been saving, no.
Precious.
Ma, I've been saving. I've been saving since, ma. It's my salary I'm buying all this thing, no.
What is my lipstick doing here?
I asked you, right? See it, you didn't see it. You didn't see it. What's it doing here?
You know what? Pack all these rags of yours and leave my house.
Oh, no, please. Ma, please, no, ma, please, no.
If you push me to the
Jesus. Ma, please, I beg you.
Push me to the wall. Ma, what I will do to you?
Ma, please, I'm begging you. Ma, please, it's my salary I've been using to buy all this thing. Ma, please, I beg you. Hey! What have I done? What have I done now? Ma, please, ma! Please, I beg in the name of God, don't chase me away, ma. Please, ma, I'm begging you. Please, ma, I'm begging you in the name of God.
Precious.
Please, ma.
I am sick and tired of you staying in my house.
Ma, please.
Go out there where you belong. Go to the streets.
Ma,
leave my house in peace. I don't want to descend on you. I don't want to descend on you.
Ma, please, I beg anything. I will do anything, ma, please.
You sure you want to do a shower?
Ma, no.
Go outside and go and do it, not in my house.
No, ma, please, I beg in the name of God.
Adolphus!
Adolphus, ma, no, please,
Adolphus!
I beg in the name of God.
Do not touch me. Adolphus!
Please, I beg you.
Hurry up! If I handle you myself, you will hate me.
No,
Take this trash out of my house. Don't touch me. Prostitute. Go out there, go and do the work you know how to do best. Get out! Take this trash out of my house.
In the name of God, ma, please, I beg you.
I will slap you if you touch me. Take out of my house.
Ma, please, I beg you, leave me. Ma, please, I beg you.
Take out of my house.
Is that for me? Hello, respect yourself. I'm talking you. Respect yourself. I don't want to rough handle you. You're a woman. So stand up and leave before I bundle you out.
Respect yourself. Leave my house now.
I don't want to rough handle you. I am very...
Adolphus, what are you waiting for?
Move before I move you.
Vanish! Out! Move it!
I don't want to stress myself by carrying you.
Hello! Get out!
Pick your bag. I don't want to stress myself by carrying. I don't want any... I said...
Adolphus!
Ma, please, I'm begging you now.
Get out of my house! Out! Rubbish! That's not doing your position out. No problem. Nonsense. Want to do prostitution? Go out there and do it, not in my house. Ah, gosh. You are dead! She is dead! You're a ghost! You're a ghost!
So you thought.
This is Maggie, flesh and blood.
Come and sit down. You understand everything after the meeting. Come and sit down.
Please sit.
Son, sit. Come and sit down. Son, sit.
Something else. For real. Black. Girl, the black is superb. No? Red is the farm. I'm telling you the gospel truth. The fitting of that black dress. Red is breathtaking. Serious? I'm telling you the same thing.
Maggie, busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie not trouble. Busybody.
I'm telling you. I'm actually telling you to stop. Listen you. The other one I even saw.
Mikey. Sleepless night, yo. She gets their secret, yo.
What are you doing?
By one. One step ahead of them. If they bust their brain. What thing they gonna do for you, Maggie, Maggie. Go. Monitoring spirit, me. Maggie be monitoring spirit, yo. Busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie not love. Busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie not love. Busybody, aye. Maggie wala.
So if I was a stranger, this is the sight I would have seen here. Ruby, is this what you've been going through in your matrimonial home?
What do I do? Oh! She has an edge over me.
Eliminate her.
What does that mean?
Kill her. Kill her.
Eh?
Yes.
Hold on, let me hear you well.
I should do what? I should kill a whole woman being. I said kill her.
For what? We're talking about human being, not chicken. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. I don't want to kill anybody. You want me to end up in jail? Is that what you want from me?
See, this lady is at the verge of stealing the joy you enjoy in this your marriage. Are you going to watch her do that?
So that's why you want me to kill her so I can go to jail?
Listen, she is primitive. Her family members, everybody in her family, they are all primitive. Hey! You understand? If you kill her, nobody will investigate it.
Wait.
Oh, I should kill a whole human being? That girl, kill her.
Just because of drink?
Okay, just be wasting time. Keep taking your time.
Hey!
Keep wasting time until she pushes you out of this your marriage. Act one give.
It's just drink. I should kill her. No.
I knew it was just a matter of time before your evil wife considers eliminating me. Because I wasn't even thinking of making the fire any cooler. I knew I had to be careful. I knew it was just a matter of time before you considered killing me. I knew I had to be very careful. And just as I thought you walked home that day with my favorite ice cream, poisoned one, knowing full well that I couldn't resist it. I sneaked to the kitchen and used the red mist spice. I had to turn it into the water and drink it. That helped me to pretend like I'm vomiting blood.
Hey! My stomach, oh! My belly, madam! Madam, oh! Madam, help me.
What is it?
I don't want to die.
What is it? Now what is the problem? Your stomach, you will not die. You will not die.
There is fire.
Fire?
Yes.
Where?
For my belly.
Where is that your stomach?
Fire, there, fire. No, I don't go to explain no more. Call doctor.
Maggie.
Call doctor.
Maggie. Maggie. Look at my
Call doctor.
You can come from the gutters and cut short my jaw. Do you know how hard I had to hustle to marry a wealthy man like Richard? Do you know?
No.
To end my happiness. By the time you get down to 6,
I don't want to go there.
let me see. Shut it. Let me see how you will tell my husband that I had an affair with Merkel, my driver. Let me see.
I see nothing, no. I don't go talk anything, no matter call doctor. I beg. Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg, call doctor, I beg,
Ruby, you're a Jezebel.
Darling.
So you planned killing her? Why?
The devil. Well, the answer to that question will be given, but for now, I got lucky. I got lucky because you had to call my husband, the one you refer to as Dr. Kingsley. Hey, wait. You mean the doctor is your husband? Married for 5 years with 3 beautiful kids. My husband knew that if I stay any longer in that house, you would stop at nothing until you kill me. At least to satisfy your stupid urge. So we came up with a plan. So what do you suggest we do now?
I advise you lay low for now. Yes.
I can't do that. I am not done with my assignment. Look, that was actually the primary reason I went to that house, right?
Honey, that is the lie you have been telling yourself. Look, I'm quite sure you've gotten every necessary information needed of the family. All I see you do now is catching fun with the family secret. And I advise you wait now. Please.
Ain't as much as I hate to admit it, but it's true. I was actually beginning to catch cruise with the whole drama in the house.
And that drama has beginning to turn into chaos. And your life is in the midst of it. Please, honey, I advise you wait already. Please. I don't want to lose you. Please. Just call it a quits already. Please, honey. Please, oh. Come on.
Monetary spirit. Monetary spirit.
So you were sent to my home to investigate my family. From who? Who sent you?
It all started when I came visiting. Yes, when you got married.
so happy I'm married now. Finally, I am married. And I married the woman of my heart. My heartbeat.
The same woman I asked you not to marry?
I don't understand.
I told you not to marry that girl, but you went against my will and got married to her.
Well, I don't understand. Why do you hate my wife? Why this hatred? What has she done?
I can see through her efforts. I'm not a prophet, but I know that she won't make it.
Mom, see, listen. Mom, if you are going to start like this, and if you don't want to stop, Mom, I'll have no option than to ask you to leave my house.
Huh?
Yes.
You asked me to leave your house? Richard, you asked me to leave your house because of a woman? Hey! Uchimo. Richard, no problem. I will leave your house never to come back again. I will leave your house, Richard. Because of a woman, Richard. And you're asking your mother to leave your house. No problem, I will leave. I will leave never to come back again. Richard, no problem.
Mom.
I must. You're asking your mother to leave your house because of a woman. Hey! Hey! Richard, no problem, oh! No problem.
I've not even asked you to leave. I just said I would ask you to leave. I did not even say, Mama, leave my house. I said I will ask you to leave, and you're doing this one.
I am very angry with you. I even swore not to have anything to do with you again. But as a mother, it's not good for a mother to be angry with her own child for so long. Besides, I was scared of leaving you unprotected. And as a mother hen, I got to protect my chicks. I didn't trust your wife, so I hired a private investigator, Irene.
Irene is my real name.
Chigo, Maggie, sorry, Irene. So you are a private investigator, hiding under the disguise of a chef.
Exactly. Well, the primary focus was on Ruby, your wife. But you fell into the very thing your wife is guilty of.
I don't understand.
Your wife here have been sleeping with your driver, Michael.
What?
Are you trying to cast a stone? Is that what you're trying to do? Because you are as guilty as what she is guilty of. Mr. Richard, you're sleeping with Precious, your maid. Hey! Isn't it?
Richie!
Richie, what?
And I'm here! Thinking I was the worst person in this world. How do I get?
Hey, shut up. Just shut up. You're not even remorseful of what you did.
No wonder. Hey, you are precious. Hey! Oh, Ruby, fuck up. Why no connect the dot? Why no?
You're not even remorseful of what you did. I am not proud of my sin, but that does not make it right. Yes, it's not a priority, but I found myself in the hands of another woman because you're not giving me attention. You are not just giving me any attention at all. All you care for is what to do, material things, where to go to, how to take care of yourself, what to acquire. To my greatest surprise, not even knowing that you're having an affair, marital and sexual affair, not even knowing that you're having a sexual affair with my own driver. Chai, Ruby. Oh my God.
My darling.
fallen husband. It was the handwork of the devil. Yes, it was the devil. You know, I came from a very poor family. Very, very poor family. We could barely feed. When I got married to you, I tasted wealth. I tasted wealth so much that I got carried away. I got carried away. I don't know what I was doing. But I'm sorry. I promise it will not happen again. My darling, please. Please. I'm at fault. Forgive me.
You abandoned your family. Ruby, you abandoned your family. Because you are wasting my son's money. How could you? If my son doesn't send money to them, they hardly feed. How wicked can you be?
Well, my job here is done. We're all sinners, and if God should judge us by our mistakes, I don't think any of us is worthy of this life. At the same time, we all have to bear the consequences of our sins and hope that it won't take long.
Thank you so much. I will send your balance before today ends.
Very important. Honey, shall we?
Mother, I wish you more peace in your life.
Thank you so much.
See you soon.
House girl where they give her mother sleepless night, yo. She gets their secret, yo. One by one, one step ahead of them. They bust their brain. What did they go do for you?
You really have to visit your father's house. Yes. You just have to go to your father's house till you make up your mind to be a good wife.
Hey!
A good mother to your daughter. A good daughter-in-law to my mother. Till I decide on what to do. Okay? You have to go by yourself. Else, I will bundle you back to your father's house. Okay?
It was the devil.
Yeah.
Yes.
The devil?
Mama.
Okay.
I was carried away. I know, I've offended you. I know. Oh, maybe you did almost the same thing. Please forgive me.
May.
I know, Mama, please. Mama, please.
Okay, we did the same thing.
No, I'm only saying
May.
mercy because
Ruby. Ime. Okay. I am okay. Know who is marrying who. Then we conclude on how we're gonna do it. Okay. Ruby, man.
Forgive me. I beg you. It will never happen again. Mama. It will never happen again. Okay, Mezuko.
No. Ruby, my driver.
It was the devil.
So when they say driver, man, here? Damn.
Maggie, busybody, she be wild. Busybody, Maggie, busybody, busy wild. Busybody, madam in trouble. Busybody, house girl where they give her mother sleepless night, yo. She gets their secret, yo. One by one.
What? So not only you, even your wife, Ruby. What a crazy world. So what are you going to do? You want to drive her? No. Are you really sure that is right? Are you sure? No, that's not the right thing to do because you were caught in the act too. Yeah, of course. If she apologizes, you can at least resolve everything and take her back. That's my opinion to you. Okay, it's alright. Okay, I have a place and
what she cannot see with her eyes.
Even Richie's wife, Ruby, she was also caught cheating with the driver. Cheating too? I'm telling you. Really? The house is full of Sodom and Gomorrah. That is why I can't imagine why Richard tells me that this lady is using that against him, like not giving pillow comfortable in the house. Now she does everything in the house. So they can't even say anything. The wife cannot talk. The husband cannot also say anything. Because I'm telling you. Can you imagine? Why again?
Bed na the push it. Person dey knock.
You go inside now. Go beg Oga now. Come inside. Sylvia. So she come back. Adolphus, mind your gate where they pay you for. Nothing concern.
I know that all I did is unforgivable. If you decide not to forgive me, understand. I will understand. But I'm here. I'm here to let you know that I have learned my lessons. Yes. I have learned my lessons. I learned the hard way. I learned the hard way. I have learned that family is everything. Everything I have. It's my grace over money. There is no amount of money that you can attach to it. No amount. No amount. No amount. Most importantly, I've learned that you're the best gift that God gave to me. My husband, my darling husband, I beg you, please. Forgive me. If you decide, if you have made up your mind, not to forgive, I will walk out of that gate and I will never, ever bother you again. But you will hear. The only thing you will hear about me is that I died. I died a broken woman whose heart couldn't take the scars that her sin has caused. I beg. My husband, my darling husband, I beg. Please.
Get up.
I'm so sorry.
Get up. Get up.
I should get up.
Get up.
I should get up. I should.
Come on.
My worst fear is unfolding before my very eyes. Richard, you got Precious pregnant? How?
Don't tell me you just believe what she told you.
What would you have me do? Same Precious that you had an affair with is here, claiming that she is pregnant with your child. And you ask me if I believe her or not. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know what to believe anymore.
Because I'm not responsible for that. And I'm going to send her out of this house this minute.
This night?
Of course this night. Oh, she never thought of that before coming to spoil the marriage. Huh?
In as much as you don't agree that you are responsible for her child, you will never forgive yourself. Maybe she just didn't want her biggest room for the night. Tomorrow morning, you should leave.